So I'm continuing to unbox the printer. As you can see, it's massively packed. Bottles of toner with a large black one. Really amazing. And there it is. It's unboxed. Still in a protective coating. Let's see if we can slip this off and get her out. There she is. Still has some tape securing the scanner top. This is a fax machine. Got a scanner. And in here are your print heads, beautifully protected again. And your paper tray with more accessories. So we're going to read the manual and we're going to print some stuff. This is a wireless smartphone empowered HP color printer.